Namaskar, myself Dr. Trishanu. I welcome you all to the daily weather briefing program of IMD. Today's date is 17th February. Talking about the today's weather highlights, under the influence of the western disturbance, isolated light to moderate rainfall, snowfall is likely over the Western Himalayan region, and isolated light rainfall with thunderstorm and lightning over plains of northwest India on 17th and 18th February is likely. Maximum temperature are likely to be above normal by 2 to 4 degree over the plains of northwest India during the week, with temporary relief on 17th and 18th of February. During the past 24 hours, if we talk about the observed weather, we reported dense fog with visibility 50 to 199 meter or 200 meter from Meghalaya, Barapani, recorded 50 meter visibility. Haryana, Karnal station reported 60 meter visibility, and from Odisha, Paradip and Bhubaneswar reported visibility of within the 200 meter. Now talking about the minimum temperature during the last 24 hours, minimum temperature departure were above normal 1.6 to 3.1 degree centigrade over Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat state, Maharashtra, Kerala, Mahe, and near normal over rest part of the country. The lowest minimum temperature of 8.2 degrees centigrade was observed at Banda station from East Uttar Pradesh. Now talking about the maximum temperature were also appreciably above normal by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade over many parts of the Western Himalayan region and plains of northwest India by 2 to 3 degree over Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Gujarat state, coastal Karnataka, and near normal over rest part of the country. The highest maximum temperature were reported of 36.4 degrees centigrade from Kochi. Moving further and talking about the synoptic system, the low pressure area, as per the morning observation, the low pressure area over the east equatorial Indian Ocean and adjoining central part of the South Bay of Bengal moved slowly west-northwestward and lay over equatorial Indian Ocean and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal at today's morning. The associated cyclonic circulations extend up to 5.8 km above mean sea level, and it is likely to move west-northwestward and become more marked over the southwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining east equatorial Indian Ocean around 18th of February. There was a western disturbance as a cyclonic circulation which lies over the central Pakistan and adjoining Punjab in lower tropospheric level. Under the influence of this western disturbance, an induced upper air cyclonic circulation is also observed over the Punjab and neighborhood in the lower tropospheric level. We have given another western disturbance as well as a cyclonic circulation which lies over the southeast Pakistan and neighborhood in lower tropospheric level and tilting northwestward with height. We have further given a upper air cyclonic circulations over the southeast Arabian Sea of South Kerala coast at lower tropospheric level. Moving further and talking about the forecast of the minimum temperature over the northwest India, we are expecting gradual rise in the minimum temperature by 2 degree during the next 24 hours, and thereafter we are expecting gradual fall by 2 to 3 degree during subsequent 2 days and no significant change thereafter. Now if we talk about the central India, gradual rise in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees is likely over the central India during next 24 hours and no significant change during the subsequent 6 days. We are also expecting gradual rise in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degree over the Gujarat during the next 4 days and no significant change during the subsequent 3 days. We are also expecting gradual rise in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degree over southern part of the Maharashtra during the next 2 days and no significant change during the subsequent 3 days. No significant change in minimum temperature are likely over the East India during the next 3 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degree is expecting during the next subsequent 4 days. No significant change in minimum temperature are likely over rest part of the country. Now moving further and talking about the forecast of the maximum temperature are likely to fall by 2 to 4 degree over plains of northwest India during next 2 days and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degree thereafter for subsequent 5 days. There is also no significant change in the maximum temperature likely over the Gujarat state, Maharashtra and Goa during next 3 days and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter during subsequent 4 days. Now if we look at the weather warning for the next 7 days, here you can see for Today we have given yellow warning for the thunderstorm and lightning activity over the Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, and also over Andaman and Nicobar Islands, specifically the Nicobar Island. And also we have given yellow alert for the fog for Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh. We are expecting fog during the morning hours of the day. And if you see the day 2 on 18th, we have issued the orange warning for the thunderstorm, gusty wind as well as for the hail warning for the east of Rajasthan, and we have given yellow warning with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind and hail for the Haryana, Punjab, and also thunderstorm warning we have given with the gusty wind for the West Rajasthan and west of the Madhya Pradesh. We have issued thunderstorm warning with gusty wind for the Nicobar Island and fog warning for Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh for day 2. Now if you move further and if you see the next like from 19th up to the 23rd of February, we haven't issued any warning for any part of the country. That's all for today. Please stay tuned with the IMD latest weather update and follow us in the Instagram, Twitter and different social media handles, and also follow IMD website for latest weather related update.